Investigators are comparing fentanyl to rocket fuel when it comes to supercharging the opioid crisis. It's 50 times more potent than heroin, and we're getting a first-hand look at its deadly impact in North Texas.
3 Carrollton Farmers Branch students popped a pill without knowing what was in it, and they died. At least 6 more teens were hospitalized when they overdosed. Federal agents traced the drugs to a single home within walking distance to several schools. WFAA's William Joy has been digging into this story all day. Here's what families need to know tonight.
I was shocked. I didn't expect nothing like that at all.
Law enforcement says a Carrollton home blocks from a middle and high school was the source of deadly pills.
I just see strange things happen. Didn't really know anything was going on.
An unsealed federal complaint revealed 9 middle and high schoolers between 13 and 17 years old overdosed on pills they thought were Percocet, but were laced with fentanyl. 6 were hospitalized, 3 died.
There is no such thing as a stereotypical drug user.
Special agent in charge Eduardo Chavez leads the DEA's Dallas office and says the blue pills, known as M30s, are unassuming to students.
The idea of I can just try this once and I'm wanting to see how it feels, you cannot do that with these things.
The first death was in mid-September, the most recent just last week. Luis Navarrete and Magaly Cano are charged with conspiracy to distribute a controlled substance for selling the pills to dealers 14 to 16 years old. They're made for about $1 each, but sold for 10.
It's horrible. Something has to change. It's really horrible. It's sad.
There's been boards and pictures of people overdosing, but I didn't think that people here were actually dying of overdosing.
The Carrollton Farmers Branch School District says back in October, they began putting Narcan in all district facilities and doing canine searches at campuses like R.L. Turner High School. Both they and the DEA say it may be tough and awkward, but conversations with kids are the key to prevention.
I think you'd be surprised what a just sit at the kitchen table conversation might bring.
The DEA is focused on stopping supply, but demand hasn't slowed.
And it is unfortunately just pure evil. It is a pure seeking of greed. And unfortunately, our communities are paying for it.
In Carrollton, I'm William Joy.